Hi, good morning. Welcome back to Shah James. I'm Raghavan. Now we will see about Nifty support and resistance for the day, Sensex support and resistance, weekly calls and one delivery call. Today, Nifty will be having a support around 6,000, 5,994, 5980, 5975, 5950. It will be having a resistance at 6050, 6075, 6080 and 6100. This week we are having expiry, so volatility will be very high. So we are expecting Nifty to move towards 6100 at the upper band, and the lower band is at 5950. Sensex will be having a resistance around 20,500 to 20,600. It will be having a support around 20,000 to 19,900. We'll see about weekly calls. You can buy Infosys with a stop loss of 2,770 for a target of 2,950 to 2,985. Infosys closed at 2,847 on Friday. Next call, you can buy Tata Motors with a stop loss of 285 for a target of 310 to 315. It closed at 294 rupees 65 paisa on NSE on Friday. Next call is you can buy Bharti Airtel with stop loss of 316 for a target of 350 to 365. Bharati closed at 330 in NSE. Now we will see about sell calls. You can sell HDFC with a stop loss of 830 for a target of 750. Next call, you can sell Sun Pharma with a stop loss of 1,110 for a target of 1,030. Sun Pharma closed at 1,080 in NSE. Next call is you can sell Tata Steel with a stop loss of 248 for a target of 230. It closed at 241 in cash market. All these calls are weekly calls. So the stop loss is also for weekly stop loss. Suppose you are using these calls for intraday purposes, whatever the low it creates, you have to keep in first 20 minutes. Whatever low it's created, you have to keep that as a stop loss for intraday if you are going long. And first 25 to 30 minutes, whatever the high you get, that you have to keep as a stop loss for your shorts in intraday. Your stop loss can't exceed more than 0.5 to 0.75 in intraday on both the sides, long and short. First thing is, we will see now about delivery call. You can accumulate V-Guard Industries. Right now it is trading at 526. The stock can dip till 300 rupees. So start to accumulate rather than buying it immediately. The stock having a market cap of 1,570 crores. Mutual funds are holding close to 6,85,000 shares in this company. Sundaram Smile Fund, Sundaram Rural India Fund, SBI Magnum Multi-Corp having these stocks. Promoters are holding close to 65% in the stock. This stock is a Cochin based company. It is first started on 1985. If you see about the PE ratio, it is trading around 26.30. Industry PE is 18.79. So it is trading above the industry PE. Book value is close to 87 rupees 50 paisa. Earning per share is close to 20. Price per book is close to 6. Face value of the company is 10 rupees. Right now, delivery happening is 35% of the total trading. It is giving a dividend of 20% of the face value. Price per cost is close to 22. 5-day trading volume is close to 38,000. 10-day trading is close to 31,000 and 30-day trading is close to 30k. So the overall, yesterday if you have seen, the overall trading happened is close to 4,42,000. That is 10 times of everyday trading volume. Something big is happening in the stock. Big accumulation is going on, and the stock's lifetime high is close to 600 rupees. Once it hits 600 also, the stock can move very fast. The stock is listed close to 2008. It's almost trading for past 6 years. It's listed close to around 50 to 60 rupees, and it was trading around 50 to 100, almost in this range. It was trading for past 2 years. From 2008 to 2010, 2 years. After that it started to move. So from 2008 to till today it has given 10 times return. Still the stock can move up, but maximum dip in the stock is close to 300 to 250. From the buying price almost 50%. So you can start accumulating. The target for this stock is 1,200 to 1,400 rupees in next 2 years. So appreciation is close to 100%. Start to accumulate rather than buying immediately. And suppose if the stocks you are buying today, tomorrow itself it has given you 15, in 1 month if it has given 15 to 20%, book the stock rather than waiting for 1,000 target. 1,000 target is only for 1 year to 2 years. 30-day moving average in this stock is 475 rupees. 50-day simple moving average is 480. 150-day moving average is 485 and 200-day moving average is 479. The company is trading above all the moving averages. It's a good sign. You can start accumulating the stock for a better return. For more, visit our website www.chargein.com, or you can post your queries in our YouTube video. Thank you.